and welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into this month's Spellbinders Club Kits. So as you may already know, I get sent all of the kits apart from the stencil of the month and the large die of the month. So I'll show you all of the ones that I've got. I really think that a lot of you will enjoy this month's theme of reading and books. So this first one is this cute owl. So you've got all these pieces to layer up on the owl, including these really cool glasses. Then you get a book. You've got the kind of page bits that layer onto that, and also the front cover that layers onto that. You've got this little letter that goes with it, and you've also got a scarf. So as I say every month, I just can't believe that this is the small die of the month because there's so much to it. You can see this main body of the owl is around about 2 3/4 by 2 inches. They're not small dies. So then moving on to the Stampin' Day of the month, it's this cute gnome set, and it's kind of reading gnomes. So you've got this one reading the book, you've got this one with a book and a cup of tea in his hand, and this one peering over his books. And then you've got Gnomed Out, You, Books and Coffee are my favourite. You've got Make This Birthday one for the books. You've got Long Story Short, Thanks for Everything. And then you've got dies to cut out everything apart from these 2 really small stamps here. So if you either already get the clubs, or if you sign up between the 6th and the 27th of March, then you'll get the kits that I'm showing you. And you can buy the kits individually, or you can buy the caboodle, which gives you extra discount because the club kits are less expensive than the equivalent things would be in their normal ranges. But with the caboodle you get extra discounts and you get an extra gift each month. So this month it's a Fairy Tale Castle die set. So the better press of the month this month is this gorgeous frame. So you get the frame, you get this Our Friendship Is My Favourite Story, and then you get this die and the die to cut out the sentiment. Then here we've got the Stitching Die of the Month kit. So you get this book with all this gorgeous detailing on it. You get this little teacup, and that comes in 2 parts as well. So these parts you could cut into the paper and you could create patterns, or you can use them obviously as they're intended with the cup. And then you've got these flowers, so you can have flowers in the cup, you can stand the cup on the books, and loads of different ways to use them. I'm so excited to start crafting with this month's kits. I'm going to have videos for you showing you ways to use all of these kits. Those will all be coming up over the next couple of weeks. So then this is the Glimmer of the Month kit, and I really like this because it's a pattern, and most of the glimmer plates that I've got are focal elements. I think it's really nice to have some glimmer in the background. So you've got this kind of stripy plate, and then you've also got some sentiments that coordinate with the month's theme. So you've got Our Story Is My Favourite, Magical Wishes for You, Coffee, Books and You, and Enjoy Your New Chapter. And the thing I really like about this is that you can foil all 4 sentiments in one go and then cut them all out in one go as well with the coordinating die. And I forgot to say as well that you also get a roll of hot foil in with the glimmer kit as well. So this time it's this gorgeous cobalt blue. I'll just get that out for you in case it's not showing up on camera very well. It's a really pretty colour. So then this month's wax seal of the month is this Congrats on Your New Chapter, and you get the twilight purple beads to go with that as well, wax beads. So you can see it's a square stamp this time. I've not had any square wax seals yet, and I think you can probably see better on here than you can on the actual seal. It just has this nice Congrats on Your New Chapter and some flowers around the outside. So then finally I've got the 2 embossing folders. So this one is the normal embossing folder of the month kit, and you can see there I've just done it from gold so that you can see the pattern. It's kind of got this nice like wavy pattern. And then finally this is the 3D embossing folder of the month, and it's this really lovely classic quilted look. Really like that. So then that's all of the kits that I've received this month. I hope you enjoyed checking out the sneak peek with me. Make sure you tune in to see what I create with them over the next couple of weeks. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you click the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shown you today are linked in the description below, and there's also a link to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.